Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make money with just listening to an audio or a music. It is a website so you can use it either in your phone or in your PC. It is totally free and it is worldwide so you can use it in every country in the world. The website name is Radio Earn. You can only just sign up with your Google account. You don't need any experience or any certificates. You just need a Google account to just sign up. And to check if it's not scam, there are over 600 members, over 300 listeners, and here is the amount paid from this website along this. Click on the sign up button and you'll find this page. Enter your username, first name, last name, email address, password, and repeat the password. Then write this thing on your answer page. It is to check if you are not a robot or to check if you are a human. After you sign up, you will find this page. After you sign up, you will find this page. It is the dashboard of the website. Then you must go to your profile by clicking on the My Profile button. You must enter all the questions that the website asked you and you can change it whenever you want. And if you want to delete your account, you can just write the password and just click on the delete button. And you must reach $5 for the payouts. Before you start earning, you must change some settings. You must enter your payment information. There is a different payment methods: bank transfer or wire transfer, email address for Amazon gift cards, Bitcoin or wallet address, PayPal email address. I just recommend you PayPal email address because it is easy to use and it is the fast one. Then you must enter your new password and repeat the new password for your payment method. Then you must write your current password and change it. Then click on Start Earning. You find this and click just in Listen Radio. When you click it, you find this page. Just start whatever your radio you want and enjoy your money. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Share to your friends. Thank you very much.